Hi, this is Adityan from Mockat. Today, we are sharing the news for 18 January, continuing the series to help you prepare for WAT and personal interview to get you into IIMs and top B schools. The actual news articles from which we have taken these key points are listed out at our daily news section in our website. The link for our website is given below. Today's 5 news headlines are: India eyes $100 billion annual foreign direct investment, Indian corporate revenue estimated for 8 to 10% growth, India-Taiwan relations under Lai Ching-te opportunities and challenges, Indian economy to grow 7% in 2024 to 25, inflation to ease further, and government may extend scope of PLI scheme to job-creating sectors. The first news for today is $100 billion annual foreign direct investment in coming years. India aims for $100 billion in annual foreign direct investment in the next few years, focusing on infrastructure, social upliftment, manufacturing, and business process simplification. 4 key growth engines identified by IT Minister Ashwini Vaishnav: infrastructure investment, social upliftment, manufacturing boost, and ease of doing business reforms. Foreign investors, including major companies like Apple and Samsung, have shown confidence in India, with FDI reaching $33 billion in the first half of the current financial year and $71 billion in the previous year. India anticipates a 7.3% economic growth rate in the current fiscal year, surpassing other major global economies, but faces challenges in addressing youth unemployment. Vaishnav compares India's $100 billion FDI target to China's past annual inflows, highlighting India as a crucial investment destination. Ongoing efforts to strengthen ties with Apple aim to increase India's share of global iPhone shipments. The next news for the day is Indian corporate revenue estimated for 8 to 10% growth in Q3. CRISIL projects 8 to 10% year-on-year growth in Indian corporate revenue for Q4 with a slight sequential decline. Sectors like construction, consumer products, and IT services drove growth, while agri-linked sectors saw declines. Automobiles grew 13 to 15% with strong demand for passenger and two-wheeler vehicles. Construction and steel industries experienced 7 to 9% and 16 to 18% growth respectively. Operating profitability expanded by 100 to 150 basis points year-on-year, supported by softening input costs and favorable commodity prices. The next news for the day is India-Taiwan relations under Lai Ching-te. Taiwan's recent elections, securing the DPP's third term, offer India diplomatic opportunities and potential for enhanced bilateral relations. The growing ties between India and Taiwan, spurred by shared geopolitical concerns and economic diversification, present opportunities for mutual collaboration. Economic engagement has seen formal agreements and forums between India and Taiwan, yet their economic relationship falls short of its potential. With the DPP's continuity, India aims to capitalize on policy consistency for enhanced cooperation in commerce, business, tourism, and education. Strengthening the India-Taiwan relationship aligns with India's strategic goals in the Indo-Pacific, offering opportunities for economic ties and supply chain resilience. The next news for the day is Indian economy likely to grow 7% in 2024 to 25. RBI Governor Shakti Kanta Das anticipates a 7% growth rate for Indian economy in the upcoming fiscal year. He attributes the growth to recent structural reforms by the government, enhancing the country's medium and long-term prospects. Despite global challenges, Das emphasizes India's growth and stability, citing positive market reactions and improved chances of a soft landing. Real GDP growth for the current year is projected at 7.2%, driven by strong domestic demand, making India the fastest growing major economy. Das expresses confidence in achieving the 4% CPI inflation target, with expectations of 4.5% average CPI inflation next year, and forecasts a 7% growth for 2024 to 25. The final news for the day is government may extend scope of PLI scheme to job creating sectors. Deloitte anticipates the extension of the production linked incentive scheme to sectors like garments, jewelry, and handicrafts in the upcoming interim budget. Rajat Wahi, Deloitte India partner, emphasizes the need to include employment intensive sectors in the PLI scheme to benefit lower income households and urban areas. The government is expected to focus on measures to enhance sustainable income growth in rural households, possibly through increased spending on rural infrastructure and cash flow incentives. Deloitte suggests broadening the PLI scheme to include sectors like chemicals and services to stimulate manufacturing demand and support economic growth. The PLI scheme, launched in 2021 for 14 sectors, has attracted significant investment, resulting in substantial production, sales, and employment generation. Deloitte highlights the importance of extending PLI to space tech startups, for domestic manufacturing and capacity building. So these are the 5 news for today. So stay tuned and subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to receive notifications. Do like the video if you found it helpful. Thank you and good luck.